We now return to Keeping It Kodos, starring Kang.
Is dinner ready yet? Our boss will be here any minute now.
This comically large capsule has lifetime supplies of
antibiotics.
That sounds like Maggie, but she's right here.
Hold on, Maggie. Daddy's coming. Come on. I've got her.
Prior to ingestion, the pill must be reduced by my amazing new shrink ray. And now, who would like a...
This sugar is double
Antibiotics.
of candy.
I'll take it.
It's delicious!
Thick, smooth, and creamy.
Come on, Maggie. Daddy's coming. Come on.
Oh my goodness, it's so clean.
I've got her. Oh, man. No, wait. This is yours.
Antibiotics.
Help me, science!
Your ship is wedged in Mr. Burns's heart.
Seriously, I'm gonna board it.
So revealing.
Alright, that's what turns a mediocre voyage into a fantastic voyage.
Bart, what are you doing?
Taking a whiz.
Stop that! We're guests in Mr. Burns.
To get Maggie in time, we'll have to catch a ride on a nerve impulse.
Unfortunately, Maggie Simpson, she died because when she fell, she broke her skull that fractured. So please put in the comments, pray F for Maggie Simpson, please. I beg of you.